Ever wondered what happens when a seasoned performer meets someone with a hidden musical talent? It's a recipe for something special. And it's a recipe that's exactly what unfolded on the set of Song Sung Blue. That Before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button for more behind the scenes looks at your favorite films. Um, the film tells the story of um, Mike and Claire, two musicians finding love and chasing their dreams through a Neil Diamond tribute band. Uh, it's a tale of second chances, the power of music, and proving it's never too late to pursue what you love. Their journey starts small, playing in garages and local bars, but quickly builds to unexpected hometown fame. Uh, Hugh Jackman, known for his captivating roles in The Greatest Showman and Les Miserables, has consistently impressed audiences with his vocal abilities. Uh, but even those performances earned scores of 79% and 86%, respectively. It's a testament to his talent, but Song Sung Blue seems to have struck a different chord with viewers. Kate Hudson, who burst onto the scene with Almost Famous, has always been a magnetic presence. That film scored a 92% audience approval, but Song Sung Blue managed to surpass that, earning an incredible 97% positive rating. Her performance even garnered a Golden Globe nomination, proving her range and dedication. Uh, this holiday season saw a lot of big releases, from action-packed sequels to awards contenders. Yet Song Sung Blue quietly became a crowd pleaser, connecting with audiences on a deeply emotional level. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest stories are the most powerful. Um, the exclusive clip showcases the chemistry between Jackman and Hudson, demonstrating how quickly they built a powerful musical connection. It wasn't just about hitting the right notes, but about understanding each other and creating something truly special. Uh, so, what happens when a Wolverine and a Penny Lane team up to sing Neil Diamond? Um, Apparently, magic focused on the captain. It's like trying to teach a cat to play the piano. You might not expect much, but you could be pleasantly surprised. Samsung Blue is available to buy or rent on digital now. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, we want to offer this